1.6 In a class of their own. Give your quick opinion on the following 3 topics. What makes a good friend? Characteristics. Shows you the answer sheets at the time of exam. Disagree. Points it out when you are doing something wrong. Agree. Sides with you in all fights and quarrels. Not sure. Keeps a secret. Agree. Tells you all the gossip. Disagree. In a class of their own, part 1. We are a class of 60 girls and boys and we are all friends. म्हणजे आमच्या वर्गामध्ये मुलं आणि मुली मिळून एकंदर 60 विद्यार्थी आहेत आणि आम्ही सर्वजण एकमेकांचे मित्र आहोत. Of exercise, say whether the following statements are right or wrong. There are both boys and girls in the class. Right. They never quarrel. Wrong. Their teachers never shout at them. Wrong. There was no unity among the students in the class. Wrong. Sushmita spoke to the teacher in a low, soft voice. Right. Asmita is telling us their story. Right. Answer the following questions. Why does Mrs. Desai's class like her? Mrs. Desai's class likes her because she is proud of the class in spite of the things that teachers worry about. She likes their unity. She addresses them respectfully and lovingly. She was sorry for their poor result but didn't scold or punish them. She still wanted to be proud of them. The class liked this kind attitude